Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make turmeric tea. I have turmeric here. I selected some, then I cut it into pieces, as you can see. For the water, I'm going to measure 3 cups of water. Then I'll add the turmeric inside the pot or the saucepan. Then I cover it. I want to make turmeric tea, as I said. Why turmeric tea? Why do I want to drink turmeric tea? Turmeric tea is good when you drink it in the morning without food. You can take food after 1 hour. What are the benefits of turmeric tea? Turmeric tea is rich in curcumin. It offers powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory benefit. It is arthritis pain, boost health care, lower bad cholesterol, support digestion, improve artery health. It combats symptoms of depression. Turmeric protects brain against degenerative brain condition. It also supports liver. It helps prevent fatty liver deposits and support detoxification. So how are we going to prepare it? As you already said, I picked, these ones are tiny ones. I picked like 10 pieces here and then cut it into pieces. And I used 3 cups of water. You have seen the cup I'm using to measure. Then we are going to boil it. You put it on a heat. Let it boil for 15 minutes. You will start counting when it starts boiling. Use your time. Mark it 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, off your heat. Then cover it to simmer. Just cover it. Don't start drinking immediately. Leave it for 5 minutes when you off your heat. So, can I add any other thing? Can I add something to it? If you like, you can add. If you don't like, leave it. You can add something like ginger. But for you to add ginger, you can use like 1 ginger or 2 ginger, cut it inside and boil at the same time. When you finish boiling, you can add honey. Honey sweetens it. If you want it to be sweet, add honey. You can add lemon also, lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of it. Lemon juice will give you flavor, and that's vitamin C. So it's very important. If you don't want to have so much problems in life, please just try to drink the tea. It's less expensive. It's not very expensive. 500 naira, you can get turmeric in Nigeria. You can even get it for 200 naira. Very important. Try to protect your health. There's a wide saying that health is what? Wealth. So I'm going to boil it now. I'll then show it to you. Hello everyone, this is the outcome of the turmeric tea. As you can see, the color is beautiful. As if it is orange juice. Oh my God. So prepare your own. Take it first thing in the morning. Don't eat till after 1 hour. The benefits are numerous. It helps in brain healing, liver support. It supports detoxification, prevents fatty liver deposit. It lowers bad cholesterol, boosts health care. It is arthritis pains. antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. So just prepare it and drink. Drink it first thing in the morning. Thank you so much for watching. Let me enjoy my turmeric tea now. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. What are you waiting for? Just click on the button so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.